Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Friends, everything and everybody in the world is unique and they have their special places and their own work. It will be unfair to give importance according to their work, but everyone should work as they can and do the best and be the best. Here, the poet is telling the same thing in his poem, Be the Best, which we are going to learn today. Before going further, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Let's listen the poem. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the reel. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass, and some highway happier make. If you are a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest brass in the lake. We can't all be captains, we have got to be crew. There's something for all of us here. There's big work to do and there's lesser to do. And the task you must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be a sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Let's learn the poem. Be the best if you can't be a pine on the top of the hill. Be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the reel. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. New word. Scrub means an area covered with small low plants. Reel means a stream. Here, in the first stanza, poet tells us to be the best of your kind. He gives some examples from the nature. He says, if you can't be a pine tree, a very tall tree found on the top of the hill, pine looks majestic and they enhance the beauty of hill and nature. But it doesn't mean pine is only valuable thing in the nature. Poet says, if you can't be a pine, be a scrub in the valley. Because without scrub, the reel means the stream will lose its charm and beauty. But poet says, be the best scrub if you can't be a pine tree. Second stanza. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of grass, and some highway happier make. If you can't be a muskie, then just be a bass. Be the liveliest bass in the lake. New word, muskie and bass. Names of fish. Explanation. Poet says, if you can't be a bush, then be a part or a bit of the grass and make the highway happier and prettier. The bit of grass along the sides beautify the highway. Then he gives the examples of aquatic animals. He says, if you are unable to be a muskie, muskie is an uncommon fish of freshwater found in North America. It is hard to catch the muskie. He adds, be a bass. It is an edible fish found in the lake. But be liveliest bass means energetic and active. Third stanza. We can't all be captains. We have got to be crew. There's something for all of us here. There's big work to do and there's lesser to do. And the task we must do is the near. New words: crew, sailors who work on a ship. Lesser, unimportant. Explanation. Poet says, everybody on the ship can't be captain. There should be only one captain on the ship. Otherwise, there will be confusion and disorder on the ship. The poet tells, if you can't be a captain, be the crew. Crew means people on the ship who work on and operate it. He says, no work is big and small. Work is work. Everybody has a work in this world, and every job have equal importance. Think of the world where there were only doctors, no engineer, no plumber, no painter, no worker. What will happen? Therefore, we must give importance to every job and should complete it with best efforts. Whatever you can, do the best and be the best. Fourth stanza. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be a sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. New word: trail, a narrow path. Explanation. In the last stanza, poet says, if you can't be a highway, then be a trail, that is a narrow path. Trail keeps connecting people to the nature. Further he adds, if you are unable to be the sun, you should be a shining star that makes the night sky attractive and lovely. The size is not important factor in winning and losing. Instead, success depends upon the efforts you put in and whether you tried your best or not. Poet ends the poem with a line which is the theme or central idea of this poem, that is, whatever you are, be the best.